Hello, and welcome to Tips from IBM ZOS COM Server. My name is David Himmel from ZOS COM Server Level 2 support. Today we're going to take a look at how to easily obtain the dump of VTAM and TCPIP for diagnostics using the VTAM MODIFY CSDUMP command. A quick and easy way to get an immediate SVC dump of the current VTAM and TCPIP ASID is to use the VTAM MODIFY CSDUMP command. Please note, when entering the command, you can substitute the letter F for modify. You can use the CSDump command to obtain both ASIDs or just VTAM alone. For example, the command to obtain just a VTAM dump immediately is F space VTAM, CSDump. Note, in the command above, VTAM is the proc name. To dump both VTAM and TCPIP, use the following command: F space VTAM, CSDump, TCP name equal TCPCS. Note again, both VTAM and TCPCS are proc names. Your proc name may be different. You can also use the CSDump command to trigger a dump automatically when a particular sense code or VTAM message is issued. To dump on a message example. Here is an example of a command to obtain a dump when a particular VTAM message is issued. F space VTAM, CSDump, message equal IST 154I. To include the TCPIP ASID in the dump, add the TCP name PARM. Note, ESM IVP messages can also be used. You can be more specific when dumping on messages by using the message value fields. If variable text is specified, then a dump will only be taken if the message number as well as the message text match. Examples: F space VTAM, CSDump, message equal left paren IST 619I, react, right paren. Using the message in the first two message value fields, F space VTAM, CSDump, message equal left paren IST 619I, react, PUA, right paren. Note, to add the TCPIP ASID, just add the TCP name parameter. To trigger a dump with a sense code, you can obtain the dump automatically when a particular sense code is issued using the following command example: F space VTAM, CSDump, sense equal 0809 0000. Note that sense codes with 8 characters are required. Sense code continued. Using the sense code and RU code to take a dump, an example of that command is F space VTAM, CSDump, sense equal 0809 0000, RU equal 818641. Note, to add the TCPIP ASID to the dump, just add the TCP name parameter. How to remove a CSDump trigger. Here's the command to remove a single CSDump trigger or all of them. To remove all the triggers, issue F space VTAM, CSDump, delete equals all. F space VTAM, CSDump, delete equals message will remove a CSDump trigger for a single message. F space VTAM, CSDump, delete equals sense will remove a sense code trigger. Matchlim. Matchlim specifies that the CSDump trigger is to be disabled after the matchlim value matches. The matchlim value is an integer in a range of 1 to 255. The default is 1. Example, F space VTAM, comma CSDump, comma sense equals 08090000, comma matchlen equals 5. This will provide a dump the first 5 times sense code 08090000 is issued. Additional notes. You can set only one sense code and one message trigger simultaneously. You cannot set 2 different message or sense code triggers at the same time. If you have previously set a message trigger using the Modify CSDump command or CSDump start option, and then you enter a different message trigger, the previous message trigger is overwritten. Tip. You can use the CSDump start option to set either a CSDump message trigger or a sense code trigger, or both. Use the ZOS COM server SMA resource definition reference for information about the CSDump start option. For more detailed information and additional options for the CSDump command, please refer to the ZOS Communication Server Operations Manual. And as always, thanks for using IBM.